I want to become a successful businessman.
I will make my own hospital.
You want to serve the people.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज से मैंने अपने उन तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने का सिलसिला शुरू कर दिया है जो मेरे पास स्पोकन इंग्लिश की क्लासेस ले रहे हैं। तो आए आज मैं आपको अपने होनहार स्टूडेंट्स से मिलवाता हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Welcome.
हाउ आर यू?
Fine, what's about you?
आई एम आल्सो फाइन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine. What about you?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
I'm Shoaib Akhtar. I'm
Yes.
15 years old.
Okay.
And I'm studying in class 9 biology
Okay.
in Allied School, Khudia campus.
एंड यू?
Myself, Sinan Sindas. My father's name is Muhammad Akhtar, and I am from pre-9th.
You are from
9th.
9th class. Okay. You both of you belong from Kudia?
Yes, we are
Which town?
above town.
Abu Bakr town. Or what's the profession of your father?
My father is a businessman.
Okay.
Agricultural business.
Agriculture business. Okay, Mr. Sahib. First of all, tell me how are you feeling here? Are you comfortable or not comfortable?
I'm very comfortable.
I am going to introduce you, both of you, to my audience, to our viewers, okay, to the community of Kudia. Actually, they wanted to know how we are doing our work of spoken English. Okay, so let's start. Just tell me, what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a successful businessman.
You want to become a successful businessman. A businessman, not a job holder.
No.
What's the difference between a job holder and businessman?
So, as you know, the job holder is always working. His life is limited.
His life is very limited.
Very limited. He not do any other things without his routine life. But a businessman can face everything, downfall, and his business goes upward, and the many obstacles came, and he approached his goals, etc.
That's why you prefer the
Yes.
businessman's life. I am going to talk with Sinwan. She's your sister.
Yes.
Okay, Sinwan. How are you, Sinwan?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Sinwan, in which class do you study?
I study in 9th.
You study in what do you want to become? He wants to become a good businessman, but what do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor in my future.
You will do a job as doctor, or you will make your own hospital.
I will make my own hospital.
You want to serve the people.
Yeah.
Sohaib, just tell me, from where you started to speak English and how did you learn to speak English?
So I have started to learn English from 6th class,
Okay.
and now Alhamdulillah I am in 9th class, and I have very familiar with English.
Okay. You are very familiar to English. Okay. Can you tell me who was your teacher in your 6th class?
You, Sir Hamza.
Yes, I remember you were my student in 6th class. What's your prediction about your speaking skills?
So now I can't speak English, but I'm continuously taking your classes.
Yes.
So I am feeling that I will skill up this my English speaking, and I'm
Okay.
progressing continuously.
First, tell me about that incident which you enjoyed the most.
Firstly, in last summer vacations, we will go to points.
Like Murray,
Yeah, like
And-
Maris, Skardu, China Border, Hunza Valley, etc.
did you enjoy?
Yeah.
I mean, what's the difference between the life of Skurdu and the life of Khudiya?
The life of Skardu is very difficult
Why?
because they have no more facilities.
There are no more facilities. You think that the facilities in Khudiya are much than the facilities in Skardu?
Yes.
Now tell me about that incident by which you get fed up.
In Korea, we attend marriage ceremonies.
Would you like to share some things about that marriage ceremony?
I don't like marriage ceremonies in Korea because they have many crowd, and I'm not feeling good in crowd because I don't like much crowd.
Yes.
So in functions, so they have many crowd, and babies are weeping
And crying. What would you like to say about eating method in marriage ceremonies? Would you like to share your views or would you like to share your views?
And
You would like to share? Okay, share.
in Khudiya, the people are not well disciplined, not well educated.
Yes.
So in marriage, all the people are all the babies are weeping, crying, and the people
it's a natural phenomenon that the children weep and cry. Just tell me about the mature people. How do they eat?
they abusing in the
Other people.
other people all
For
the
eating.
time, and they put all the things in
In their stomach. Yeah. And they fight with other people.
and they fight with other people for food.
And what the people of Lahore do ceremonies instead of the people of Korea?
I have attended one marriage ceremony in Lahore with my father. I have seen this in Lahore. The people are, educated and disciplined. So they only take food to taste.
Just taste. And
Not
they don't waste the food. Actually, both of us belong to Korea.
Yes.
And we love Korea. But what would you like to say for their advice? What should they do at the marriage ceremonies?
I advise people that there much food was cooked for the people, so
Yes.
don't fight for them.
That यानी कि आप ये कहना चाहते हैं, ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि खाना सबके लिए बहुत ज्यादा होता है, आप खाने के लिए तकरीबन कम से कम खाने की खातिर ना लड़ा करें. Like this, you want to say this?
Yes.
Do you know sometimes now you were speaking, you have a lot of mistakes. What would you like to say about your mistakes in grammatically mistakes?
Yes.
Do you think that what would you like to say about this?
Now I have very grammatical mistakes in my speaking, but I am continuously progressing.
Yeah, you are continuing. I would like to say that if you wanted to speak English, then don't think about your grammatical mistakes. Just speak. Okay. What's your suggestion for for our viewers? What's your advice for viewers? Should they attend our class or not? Actually, they wanted to know how we are doing our work of spoken English.
First of all, you all know that English is used in the most of the countries in the world.
Yes.
So if you want to go outside, otherwise in Pakistan, you will if you take jobs, you will speak English. It makes a good impression to your seniors.
डियर ऑडियंस, तो मुझे आप ये जरूर बताइएगा कि आपको मेरे इन स्टूडेंट्स की स्पीकिंग स्किल कैसी लगी, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कैसी है. क्या आप भी अपने बच्चों को इसी तरह इंग्लिश बोलता हुआ देखना चाहते हैं? तो आज ही दिए गए नंबर पर रब्ता करें और आपके बच्चों को सिर्फ 1 माह के अंदर इंग्लिश बोलता हुआ देखें.